So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue if the Microsoft Teams is not opening or not working on your laptops or computers that runs on Windows platform. Now, in order to fix that, just simply go to Start menu, click on Settings. You can easily find it on the settings. And now here, you need to go to the section of apps. In the apps, you need to go to Installed apps, and here you need to find the Microsoft Teams application. It's right there. Now all you need to do is to just simply press on the three dots right next to it, click on advanced options, and when you scroll down again you'll see this option of a repair. Just simply click on it. What it does is simply checks all the app data and checks all the corrupted file and fix the issue, and it will definitely solve your issue that if any of the file is causing the error for the application to crash or not to open, it will definitely fix that as well. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.